Hey guys, welcome to another cubing video, and in today's video we are going to solve gear cube. So this is our gear cube and it looks like this. So let's understand the cube notations. The corner piece is with the three colors and this piece is known as corner piece. This at the middle with two colors is known as edge piece, and this piece at uh, with one color is known as center piece. So let's understand the moves. This is R, this is R prime, this is L, this is L prime, this is U, this is U prime, this is D, this is D prime, this is F, this is F prime, this is B, and this is B prime. So let's start with the solving and the tutorial of this cube. So after shuffling, our gear cubes looks like this. So now let's start solving this cube. So first we will solve the corner pieces. So I will start with the blue color. So we have to make pairs like this in line. So I will arrange pieces here like this piece is of blue and yellow, so I will find another piece with blue and yellow. So I found it here. I have to match it here, so I will just move it up. So like this we have to make pairs. Now I will make this side, so I got a pair matched, so I will just move it up. So as we can see, we got all corner piece arranged in the bottom side also, and at the front layer also. You may also get a case when you do not get the pieces matched. So for this you have to just move the down layer towards the matching layer like this. So after solving the corner pieces, we will solve the center piece. So we have to just move a right layer until then we got our center piece at the correct position like this. So now we will solve so edge pieces. Now we have to make condition. There are very conditions like this is parallel condition when we have to just switch these pieces. Like this is red yellow, we have to move it here, and this is red white, so we have to move it here. Another condition comes when we have to move this piece here and this piece here. This is also parallel condition. This is the best condition because we can solve it like this. So let's solve it. So firstly we will solve this condition. So for this we have to keep one piece at our front and another at our back like this. Hold the cube like this and then apply the algorithm, that is U R2 U R2. So we can see here that our edge pieces are matched. This piece is at its place correct position, and this piece is at its correct position. So now we will try to match another pieces. So these are the pieces with the same condition. We will hold the cube like this. One piece is over at front and another is at back. Hold the cube like this and apply the algorithm, that is U R2 U R. So we can see here that our all pieces this layer is at correct places. So we can see here that all edge pieces are arranged, but we can see here that they are not at correct position, so they are not matching with their position. So we will just move our right layer until we get our pieces matched. So we can see here we have to apply algorithm again, and we can see here that our this layer is solved. Now we will see with this layer similarly. So we have to just move R, and we can see here that our all pieces are arranged and our cube is solved. So thank you for watching the videos. Please subscribe to the channel and like all the videos. Thank you.